New at 10, Terica Pearl, the woman from Gadsden accused of killing her baby girl and leaving her in a hearse, was in court today. Our crews were present as investigators laid out new details regarding what they believe led up to the death of one-year-old Blessence Pearl.
And we want to warn you, the details of this case are definitely disturbing. Your breaking news reporter Taylor Pollock takes us inside of today's hearing.
State prosecutors are pointing to surveillance video and a rope that investigators believe was used to strangle one-year-old Blessence Pearl as key pieces of evidence in the capital murder case against her mother, Terica Pearl. Gadsden investigators saying during testimony in today's preliminary hearing that video shows Terica Pearl walking in the early morning hours of the day Blessence was found. She lives just 1 block from the funeral home where the child's body was discovered. Surveillance video shows Terica walking around 2:30 in the morning towards the funeral home with a baby in her arms. The baby is seen holding its head up and moving. Then roughly 2.5 hours later, Terica is seen again on surveillance video, this time without the child. Investigators also say the child was found with a white residue on her feet, arms, hair, and back, and that a piece of rope that investigators say is part of a bathrobe was found around the child's neck. Investigators also say it was this same blue robe Terica was seen wearing in the surveillance video. It was as the lead investigator was describing the condition of the child's body that Pearl became visibly emotional in the courtroom, wiping away tears. Investigators say Terica showed up to a Huntsville hotel later that day, and a worker there directed her to a recovery center because she seemed under the influence of drugs. In her initial interview with detectives, Terica said that Blessence had gotten into whiteout the day before. Detectives said she eventually became hysterical during the interview. While talking about her walk to the funeral home, she began screaming, "Oh my God, what have I done?" The robe she had been seen wearing was found in a bag in the car she drove to Huntsville. An investigator said you can see where the tie had been pulled from the garment. The defense is arguing that there's not enough evidence to prove that Pearl is guilty and are also calling for DHR records of both Blessence and Terica to be made available. Pearl remains in jail on no bond. Back to you.